Here I have iPhone XS, and let me show you how to reset home screen layout on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. Here you need to choose the general. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose reset. From the following options, you need to choose reset home screen layout, and this will reset all home screen layout to factory defaults. So if you are aware of the following operation, let's choose reset home screen, and basically that's it. You just reset the home screen layout. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.